up, y'all? This is Sophia, and we're at Linda's house chilling, and there's supposed to be a party, and we were supposed to drink, play beer pong and shit, but nobody's here because they want 2 people to go kick it over there. So it's just me.
This bitch is retarded.
Alicia, or Mao.
Alicia, oh wow.
Ew. We're all awake, but Serena and Linda are sleeping. I'll show you. That's Linda. She's sleeping. Serena. Kaz would be snoring right now, but I don't know why she's not snoring. Hi, Tony.
Hi.
Say something.
Can you hear Mom singing?
I miss my boyfriend.
She's ugly. So's her boyfriend. Arabian Nights!
She ain't got no man.
Jealous of what? Aladdin?
She's so mean. Seriously, I don't know why she's so mean.